Hello everyone, I am Simone Leonello, I am CareerFoundry UX design student, and today I'm going to answer again to 4 questions that are possible questions that we can receive during user interviews for some companies. So let's do it. The first one is, if you had 2 products and had to ask one question to users to understand which one they prefer, what you would ask? So, assuming that the user has already used both products, I would ask, with which of the 2 products did you feel more familiar and easy to use? I think that this is the main goal of a user-centered design. Like, if a user doesn't feel familiarity or like ease on using it, like doesn't make any sense to continue it. So let's go over. Like, the second question is, how do you evaluate a design? Okay, the UX evaluation of a design goes through various stages, each of which is preceded by a question. So we need to answer to some question to understand if a design is good. The first one is, do the metrics match the design goals? Does the design fulfill its purpose? Who are the users and what are they trying to do? Are there any strengths that differentiate the designs from its competitors? Sorry. Is the message easy to understand? So if we find that this question have satisfactory answer, we can be satisfied about the design, I guess. So the third question is, what kind of data have you used to validate a design? Okay, during my research, I took qualitative and quantitative data. Data regarding competitors to draw their strength, weakness, and opportunities. Data regarding the preference of users who use or not use like apps of the type similar to the one that we are designing, and finally collected data deriving from interviews made with user on prototype during the usability test. So the data I collected is mainly about what is familiar to the user and easy to use, obviously after validating that the design objectives are respected. So the last one is, are there usability testing methods you already have experience in? If so, explain. Okay, in my background, I was like in engineering researcher, so like I was making some user testing, but of course they were different from the type of user testing that we do now because I was working on seismology, no? So, but like during the immersive course of CareerFoundry, I learned several methods of usability testing, but the ones I have really like used and with which I believe I have acquired a minimum of experience are the mentored in person and the mentored remote, and also the guerrilla testing, like I was doing this as well. Following the reasoning of the users while using the product has been stimulating and inspiring and has helped me a lot in the realization of high fidelity version of the prototype, which of course we will also be tested again. So that's it. This is my answer, and hope to see you soon.